Good morning, all of you. So, in the last video, I have taught you chapter 1, that is everything for good. Okay, so today I am going to discuss the back exercises as well as the question answer. So, what was the story? The story was of a sparrow. The sparrow was annoyed in the beginning because of the rude behavior of the crows. Okay, why? Because बहुत शाम का टाइम था, बहुत बारिश होने वाली थी एंड शी हैज़ टू रिटर्न होम as early as she can, and she was very tired, so she saw a banyan tree where she thought to rest for a while. But जैसे ही वहाँ जाती है, there were some crows who were making merry and singing, playing, dancing, playing games. So she requested to the crows to sit for a while because she was very tired. But what crow said, उन्होंने क्या बोला कि नहीं, तुम इस बैरियन ट्री से चले जाओ बिकॉज ये हमारा ट्री है, बिकॉज वी केम फर्स्ट. ओके, सो at that time she was very annoyed and she was saying to God कि उन्होंने ऐसा उसके साथ क्यों किया. एंड जब जैसे थोड़े देर दूर वो फ्लाई की, वैसे उसने क्या देखा, एक मैंगो ट्री. देयर शी सैट, और जैसे एक देयर वॉज अ हॉलो इन द मैंगो ट्री, वो उसके अंदर चली गई. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, वैसे ही रेन स्टार्ट हो गया. She was safe from the rain and the bitter cold outside. The rain was accompanied by hail as well. It started raining heavily. A strong wind was blowing. There was thunder and lightning. However, neither the rain nor the hail had any effect on the sparrow, and she was safe and sound in hollow. But there was chaos amongst the crows. Finally, it stopped raining after an hour. 1 घंटे के बाद रेन स्टॉप होता है. स्पैरो बाहर आती है हॉलो के और वो अपने घर की ओर चली जाती है. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जब वो बैनियन ट्री से क्रॉस कर रही थी, सडनली शी स्टॉप्ड एंड लुक्ड इन हॉरर. What did she see? क्या देखती है? She did not believe in her eyes because she saw many crows were lying dead below the banyan tree and some were injured. Some were crying in pain. Okay, and at that time Sparrow understood everything. She understood that God loved her. Had she been sitting on the banyan tree, she too would have been killed or injured because of the cold, bitter cold rain and hail. Understood? So at that time she thanked God for saving her. And yesterday she had felt bad when the crows drove her away. वो उसे बहुत बुरा लगा था. She could not understand why she was driven away by the crows who refused to listen to her request. Understood? So now she knew that God had his own way of doing things. She realized that whatever he does, who is here? God. He does for our good. Okay, so what is the moral of this story? That God loves us, protects us and always wishes the best for us. God has his own way of doing things. Now come to page number 9. Fill in the blanks. When we are angry, we lose our temper. Now first is temper. Second, just like our parents dash too wants the best things to happen to us. हमारे पेरेंट्स की तरह गॉड जो है वो भी हमारा भला चाहते हैं. Now we should not blame God if things do not turn out the way we want them to. Sparrow took shelter from the rain and hail in the hollow of a mango tree. Now last, the sparrow understood that God had saved her. Okay, क्या स्पैरो समझ जाती है कि गॉड ने उन्हें सेव किया है. पुट द टिक अगेंस्ट द करेक्ट सेंटेंस एंड क्रॉस अगेंस्ट द रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. गॉड डज नॉट लव यू. फॉल्स. Dark clouds are hovering across the evening sky. It's true. So you'll just take like this way. The crows killed the sparrow. False. Rain was accompanied by hail. True. After the rain stopped, all the crows flew back to the nest. No, it's false. After the rain stopped, some crows were injured and some were dead because of the hail and the bitter cold. Okay? Now, answer the following questions. What things come to our mind when we get angry? क्या क्या चीज़ हमारे माइंड में आता है जब हम लोग गुस्सा होते हैं? When we feel angry, we get frustrated and we feel that God is not with us and does not want to help us. So जब हम एंग्री हो जाते हैं, जब हमारे तो क्या हमारे दिमाग में आता है, हम लोग बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं एंड वी थिंक कि गॉड हमारे लिए बेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं एंड ही डोंट वांट टू हेल्प अस. आर वी राइट इन थिंकिंग सो? वाई? क्या ये हमें ये सोचना चाहिए? क्यों? नो. क्या हम जो सोचते हैं वो सही है? नो, वी आर रॉन्ग इन थिंकिंग सो, एज गॉड हैज़ मेड ऑल ऑफ अस एंड जस्ट लाइक आवर पेरेंट्स ऑलवेज वांट द बेस्ट फॉर अस. हम लोगों को सबको गॉड ने बनाया, जैसे पेरेंट्स हमारा भला चाहते हैं वैसे ही गॉड भी हमारा बेस्ट चाहते हैं. God has his own way and time to make things work for us. What do you understand by this sentence? So God has his own way and time to make things work for us, as he knows everything and thus he has his own plans. उनको सब पता रहता है and उनका एक अपना प्लान है. Okay? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What were the crows doing on the banyan tree? banyan tree के ऊपर crows जो थे वो क्या कर रहे थे? The crows were making merry, singing and playing different games. What reason did the crows give to the sparrow for driving her away from the banyan tree? क्या कर रहे थे? तो the reason given by, क्या उन्होंने reason दिया banyan tree से sparrow को भगाने का? तो क्या reason था? The reason given by the crows were for driving the sparrow away was that since they sat first on the tree, so it belongs to them. वो ट्री पे पहले बैठे हैं इसलिए वो ट्री उनका बिलोंगिंग हो गया, वो बिलोंग करते हैं इस बैनियन ट्री से. और ये कहकर स्पैरो को उन लोगों ने बैनियन ट्री से भगा दिया था. सो व्हाट इज योर होमवर्क? यू विल बी राइटिंग दीज क्वेश्चन आंसर इन योर मॉल साइंस कॉपी in very neat and clean handwriting and fill in the blanks, tick the correct. That all you will be writing, you will be filling in your mall science book in very neat and clean handwriting with date. Thank you.